Hello, Julie here, and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to do a flip through of my Christmas journal. This is the Blue Christmas Journal number 2. So in November I had Blue Christmas Journal number 1. This is Blue Christmas Journal number 2. So there are 46 pages in this kit altogether. There are 15 journaling pages, like this sort of thing. There are 17 pages of embellishments, 2 pages of fussy cuts, 8 background pages. So when I say background pages, I mean something like that, you know, you'd put that on the back of your page, you can write on that. And 4 journaling pages. Now, journaling pages are like a background page, but they have lines on them. So you can see there that's got lines on it, for those that like lines on their writing pages. So I'll go through this now. The journaling pages I have double-sided, but I'll just do the one side first and then I'll come back with the other side. So we have this, the nutcrackers, poinsettias, just a collection of different things along the top with a big bow in the background. Some lighter baubles in the background with some darker ones to the foreground. 4 rows of different images on that page. Now this is different. We did have a poinsettia one here, but this one's slightly different. It's got a different background in it, and the poinsettia on the left hand side is smaller on this one, and this comes out further, so I've just adjusted it around a bit. This one with the holly in the background, baubles and wreaths, a large bell, so when you fold that page in half you're going to get half on each page. This one's got 2 different images, so we've got the Christmas tree on that side and the stockings on that side. So, like so. Here we've got the bells along the bottom with the big stars in the background. Reindeers. We're using that Christmas tree on one side and then a heap of Christmas trees on that side, so you would end up with something like that. We have a lovely light background with the candles, and then we've got our 4 little nutcrackers across the bottom. Now I'll go to the backgrounds. So they're the journal book pages. Now we've got the backgrounds, so that's one. I guess you can see that. Here we've got like a watercolour background and some like glitter in the middle. This one is a journaling page. You can see it's got the lines on it. I hope you can see it's got the lines on it. So we've got the holly in the background and we've got some parcels on the bottom. This is another journaling page with the lines. We've got some faint nutcrackers on that. Just when I've put the journaling lines on, I've tried to put just pale images so you can still write over it. Here we have some bells, the journaling lines. We have baubles with journaling lines. And then we're back to backgrounds now, so that's one of the plain backgrounds. This is a background one as well, with all the parcels. Christmas lights. Some baubles. So you can see that, you know, you could easily write over that, or you can embellish over the top of it. And here we have just another plain background page with the gold sprinkles. And another background page. So that's all the full pages Oh no, it's not. Yes, that's all the 4 pages, because these are the pages, but they haven't got anything on the back. Now we're going to have a look at the embellishments that are in the kit. So we've got a large envelope there and another large envelope there. So this one's got the reindeer on the flap, so that when you make your envelope, this is on the front. And this one's got it on like the back part of the envelope. A coin envelope and an index card. 3 large tags, 2 with the dome top, 1 with the normal top. This is a large side pocket. Well, it would go on that side, so your trees are up the right way. And we've got a couple of labels, a couple of small journaling cards and a specimen slide. Here we have 3 tags and 3 little pockets for the tags to go in. I've matched up the images on the pockets and the tags. Another large envelope here, a journaling card or a decorative piece to put onto a tag or something like that, and a fairly plain journaling card. These are 2 index folders, so they fold in half and make a pocket, a plain one and one with an image on it. And here we have another one of those index pockets with the reindeer on it and a smaller rectangular envelope. 3 very large tags. Now these are like a full page size. Then we have some tickets and tags with the images on them from that are throughout the whole collection, and here as well. Then we have some more tags here, 3 large round top tags, 1 plain one and 2 with images. And here we have some fishtail tabs, should I say. These are like that, folds in half like that, and you've got a pocket that can be put into, so it's a freestanding pocket, or you could use it like as a round the page wrap, whatever. So there's a plain one there and one here with an image on it. Here we have some baubles to fussy cut, and we've got 2 large journaling cards. We have a large side pocket here, so you know when you fold that in, you're going to end up with a pocket about that wide as a gusseted pocket, and you can see it's quite tall. But you can resize these. Any of these you can print like 2 to a page, so you get different sizes. You can print 2 to a page, 4 to a page, whatever, and a journaling tag. So here we have another side pocket, which is upside down, so that would be like that. And you've got a journaling card there and a journaling card there. Then we get into our fussy cuts. So for the fussy cuts, we've got 2 sheets. So a mixture of things that are included on all the papers. There we go. So that's the 2 sheets. And this, I have printed those 2 sheets at 2 to a page. So yes, so you can get the 2 different sizes. So that is my kit for December. You can, I'll put a link in the description box to the kit in my Ko-fi shop. And yeah, so if you like it, pop over and check it out. And yeah, thank you for watching, and I hope you have enjoyed the video and can join me when I post my next video. Okay, bye.